In a quiet mountain cave lived Draco, a dragon with a tickly nose. Achoo! He sneezed, and flames shot out everywhere. The nearby villagers were scared. "He's too dangerous," they cried, but one kind little girl brought Draco a soft tissue. "Here," she said. Draco blinked. "Thank you." He blew his nose and gave a gentle smile. No more fiery sneezes. The villagers saw he meant no harm, and Draco became their warm-hearted friend, guarding them with hugs, not fire.